Across the globe, the beauty of women of color paints a masterpiece of diversity and unity, a kaleidoscope of shades, tones, and textures, each unique yet bound by a common thread of strength, resilience, and elegance. Picture this. A woman in Lagos, Nigeria begins her day by applying Shea butter, a golden gift from Mother Nature, to her skin. This ritual, passed down through generations, protects and nourishes her skin under the African sun. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic in Mexico City, another woman of color adorns her lips with a vibrant red lipstick, a symbol of her fiery spirit and passion. This tradition, deeply rooted in her culture, is her way of expressing her individuality and confidence. Travel east to Mumbai, India, and you'll find a woman enhancing her eyes with kohl, a centuries-old beauty practice that not only accentuates her almond-shaped eyes but also holds spiritual significance. And in New York City, a woman of color is contouring her face, highlighting her cheekbones and jawline. This makeup technique, embraced worldwide, empowers her to define her beauty on her own terms. Though oceans apart, these women share a commonality. They are all women of color, each using beauty and makeup rituals that not only enhance their physical attributes, but also carry profound cultural and personal meanings. While their techniques may differ, the essence of these rituals remains the same. They are acts of self-expression, a celebration of their heritage, and a testament to their individuality. Beauty is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It is as diverse as the women who wear it. Each woman of color, in her unique way, contributes to the beautiful mosaic of global beauty. Their stories, as varied as their skin tones, weave together a tapestry that is vibrant, beautiful, and powerful. And yet, they all share an unspoken understanding that beauty is more than skin deep. It is a reflection of their strength, their heritage, and their spirit. In conclusion, the beauty and diversity of women of color around the world is a testament to the power of unity and diversity. Each woman, with her unique beauty rituals and practices, contributes to the rich tapestry of global beauty. Their differences make them unique, but their shared experiences and values bring them together. In the end, it isn't just about the color of their skin or the makeup they wear, but the stories they tell and the strength they embody. So here's to the women of color around the globe. Your beauty is a celebration of diversity, unity, and strength, and it is indeed a sight to behold.